Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday and our host is Anna from Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. Our guest host today is Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle and the theme is purple and orange. So I'm going to start with my centerpiece, which is different shades of purple flowers. I've got everything from lavender to pansies, and there's even a little butterfly in it. And I also added some flowers to the base of this beautiful oval it's got flowers etched into it glass vase. And then the table setting is this really pretty dessert plate that has a peachy orange pansy on it. I thrifted these. I think that is so pretty. And then the dinner plate is, it's a very heavy, I don't know whether it's stoneware, but it's a very heavy plate that's got fruit all the way around. And then the charger is this really pretty rose charger. So I thought that made for a very nice table setting. I have very little orange, so I'm kind of substituting the orange for like a peachy color. And I also have this really pretty wine glass. I've had that for years. And then I have these faux muffins that have these purple striped cupcake holders. So I thought that was appropriate. So I'll set that on the plate. And I even have a couple more of the muffins in this little cloche. And I have this little wooden bird that's got some purple flowers on it. I recently got those at the Dollar General. And then I have this hammered handled fork on top of this really pretty napkin that's got flowers on it. I think it's really pretty. And then I have this little wine glass that's got cran grape juice in it, which is really yummy. And I've got some grapes there with a peach candle burning. There's my teacup. And the tea for today is Bigelow Botanicals Cold Water Infusion Blackberry Raspberry Hibiscus. This is very good tea that I ordered off of Amazon. Another look at my centerpiece with all the purple flowers. And I have everything on a white lace table runner. Now this candle is called French Garden. It smells really good. It's called Lavender Breeze and White Jasmine. Another look at the muffins under the cloche with the purple wrapping. And the back of my centerpiece where you can see the grapes and the flowers at the bottom of the vase, which I thought made a very pretty centerpiece. So what you all think? All right, well, thanks for watching. I want to give a special thanks to our guest host, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and also to Anna and Courtney for hosting this open collaboration. Please feel free to leave me a comment, a like, and a share, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye for now.